Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is the BB Mini blower. Now you can see here it's electronic, of course, battery operated. Now they sent this to me, kind of a unique little item they wanted me to test and review it for the NitecoreStore.com. Comes in this box. Let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Definitely is a unique deal that Nitecore is doing here, and very handy. I've got other little portable blowers, especially the old aerosol canned compressed can spray that you can use to blow, but this one here is rechargeable. This is a user manual, front and back, multi-language. Definitely has a unique size here. They even included a lanyard for it. And this is my first time opening this up here. More like a ball. Here's a lock switch here. I guess let's keep it from turning on. The USB charging port there. That's where you're going to feed the lanyard into. Oh, there's the power button right there. This looks like the intake for the air. Oh yeah, you can see the turbine there on the motor. So it's more like a dust shield. And we'll make sure we'll put that back in there and lock it back up. This is for the little bristles here. Don't have to have them out all the way if you need them only a little bit to get right up close to something. Now if you own a lot of flashlights like I do, all the little heat sink areas and this blowing, you're definitely going to clean them up pretty quickly. Well, it looks like I've got it unlocked. Let's go ahead and turn it on here. You can see my skin moving here. You gotta press down and hold when you're using it. You can see my skin moving there. Quite a bit of power coming out of this. So the button has to be held in order for it to run. And this has a lot of power, believe it or not. Kind of show you here. I usually try to put it this way. And usually a lot of power on this thing. It's got a little bit of a grip area. So that's definitely this definitely does have quite a bit of power. Try it here. And it's not really that loud either. This is a rubber textured here. Now I brought something in from the garage and had a lot of dust on it. Wanted to see how well this will do cleaning that up. So let me grab that item here. Okay, so I brought this in. This is an old slave drive DVD, and been sitting in the garage. You can see the dust there. So we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of cleanup here. Let's see how it does here. I'll get the rest of the dust to go away. So now I'm going to use the little bristles here. You can see it's definitely doing a good job here. I'm going to leave half of it. Give it dirty. So you can see here, this is all cleaned up using the bristle and the blower. See before and after here. Probably got a couple years worth of dust from the garage. Dust still floating around here. So definitely powerful enough to do some nice little cleanup, especially of electronics. That always comes in handy. I used a lot of compressed air, especially on my computer fans, especially on my RAID drives that I have now. I want to make sure that they remain very clean after losing a couple of hard drives in there. I believe it was due to dust that accumulated in there. Plus, upgraded them to solid state drives, so hopefully I don't have the mechanical issues and won't lose a ton of video footage of the reviews. I did a lot of work there. It's kind of a bummer. But this here is powerful. It is very well thought out, actually. The size of it, wish it was a little bit thinner maybe, but they probably did that so the fan could have a little bit more area to circulate that and get a good compressed volume coming out of that little spot there. Again, bristles there. The output comes out of there. You can see the dust. This thing is impressive, and it's powerful. Alright, well, as you can see, it's kind of straightened up here a little bit. This thing is powerful. This is an ABS plastic, so it's going to be, you know, durable for drops. If you bang it around a little bit, don't have to worry about scratching it. Again, you don't have to worry about holding it just right. It's pretty easy to do it either way. Kind of wish they made maybe some grooves here, since you do have to hold it down in order to operate the unit. Button has to be held down. Bristles do help with cleaning, especially for dusty items. This did very well, in my opinion. Nice to be able to have something you don't have to worry about, you know, compressed cans of spray. Like I've got one here that I use all the time. I go through quite a few of these, and once they're done, they're done. So this here, you can easily have it, goes dead, charge it up. You've got another cycle life of cleaning that you can do with it over and over and over. This is a lithium operated battery that's in here, so that's nice to know. So it's going to last for a long time. Type-C charging is always a plus, and feels pretty rugged as well. Okay, Well, I want to thank the NitecoreStore.com for sending me this blower to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link to their website, including my special discount code that will help you save on this blower, BB Mini that is, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish, or you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Nitecore products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.